Kitty driving on the bus. Funny riders making fuss. How to conk here and bump it there. Crazy chaos everywhere. Riding on a bus, go, go, go. But something's wrong, you know. No! 5 funny riders riding on a bus. The one jumped up and made a fuss. Jump, crack! Went the bus front light. Kitty called the owl in the night. Wolf said, sit down, please. No more jumping on the seats. 4 funny riders riding on a bus. Monkey danced and shook the bus. Boom, boom, wheel went flat. Kitty said, what was that? Kitty called the tiger right away. Tiger said, drive slow today. 3 funny riders riding on a bus. Bunny spilled juice all on us. Splish, splash, splash. Floor got wet. Slippery bus, you bet. Kitty called the panda bear. Panda said, cleat everywhere. 2 funny riders riding on a bus. Filthy bark and startled us. Honk, honk, horn got stuck. Loudest bus, what bad luck. Kitty called the parrot then. Parrot said, quiet again. 1 funny rider riding on a bus. Bear rolled down and crashed with bus. Bang! Door flew wide. Kitty said, hold on tight. Kitty called the bunny once more. Bunny said, fix the door. All funny riders fix the bus. No more chaos, no more fuss. Wheels go round and lights now glow. Kitty says, now let's go, Coco. Riding on a bus, smooth and slow. Happy riders steal the show. There's Farmer Kitty on the farm today. But something strange in a funny way. Dark Kitty on the farm to eBay. Something strange in a funny way. Not the cows, not the sheep. Kitty is eating everything she sees.
Oh, no, no, no. What is this?
Farmer Kitty gone wild like this. Cow says moo is my head. Kitty comes yummy. Okay. Biff crunch, crunch, crunch. Hey is gone. Cow looks shocked. Mood is wrong. Kitty smiles.
Still hungry more.
She eats the bucket, eats the floor. Crunch, 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 crunch.
E-I-E-I-O.
Kitty eats fast. Oh no, no, no. Pip says, wink, my food is here. Kitty shouts,
Oh, yes. Cheer.
big burgers, apples, 1 big bite. Everything disappears in sight.
My food is gone.
Kitty burps,
Carry on.
oink, 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 oink. Yi-yi-oh. Kitty eats it all, you know. Rooster shouts, hock-hock-a-doodle-dee. Kitty says,
I'll eat that too.
seeds, grains, crunch, crunch fast. Nothing lasts.
Nothing lasts.
Rooster cries.
What is this?
Kitty says,
Delicious bliss.
cock-a-doodle, yi-yi-oh. Kitty eats fast, don't you know? Sheep says, Papa, grass is mine. Kitty says,
Looks so fine.
pick grass on, whole field clean. Each sheep says, this is not mean. Kitty rolls.
Yummy, yummy.
Farm is now an empty tummy. Ba ba ba.
E-I-E-I-O.
Kitty eats it all, you know. Now the farm is empty land. Animals looking very sad. Kitty suddenly stops and sees. Oh no, I ate everything. She rubs her belly slow. Maybe I should stop.
You know.
Farmer Kitty had a farm. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm a cow got sick. Does moo, 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 weak. Moo, moo, slow. Something's wrong. Oh no, no, no. Cows. E-I-E-I-O. What to do? Dr. Kitty is coming through. Yeah, cow goes slow. I feel so bad. Bubble tea, no energy, feeling sad. Wow, no jumping, no happy sound. Just lying quietly on the ground. Jay, farmer shouts, help me please. Cow says, moo, I need ease. Moo, moo, weak. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is sick and feeling low. Just siren sound. Dr. Kitty runs in view. Don't worry, cow, I'm here today. I will chase the sickness away. She checks the ears, she checks the hoof. I see the proof. Healing job has just begun. Kitty job has just begun. Kitty says, open wide. Cow goes, moo, I tried. Moo boy. She gives a juice, rainbow bright. Cow drinks it in one bite. Trot, trot, trot. Cow starts feeling everything. Sip, sip, sip. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is healing nice and slow. Look at it. Suddenly cow jumps flying. Wow, I feel like I can fly. Woo! Becomes loud and strong again. Farm is happy like a game. 3. Farmer laughs. Thank you, Kitty. You are smart and super pretty. Moo, moo, strong. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is healthy, here we go. No damn good. No. All animals clap and cheer. Love a good. Dr. Kitty brings joy here. Cow is dancing, feeling fine. Sun is shining, farm is shining. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And Kitty saved it, don't you know? Moo moo happy, loud and free. Ghost from ever jiffy. Kitty. Old MacDonald had a sick. Wow, Toddler Kitty saves the day. Old MacDonald had a farm. Wow. Bubble, bubble, don't pop, pop. Something scary makes you stop. Kitty says, stay close to me. Baby shark, what can it be? Bubble, bubble, and go slow, slow, slow. All history's about to show. Beat and baby shark are playing. Bubbles flying, kids are spraying. Pop, 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 goes every side. Laughing loud with happy pride. Be bubble back, yay, yay, yay. Play with bubbles all the day. Suddenly silence in the air. Bubbles stop, nothing's there. Sky turns dark, very slow. Cold wind starts to blow. Baby shark whispers, I don't like this. Kitty says something is wrong. Subble bubble, where you go? Something strange is starting to grow. From bubbles something nice is fly. Big round face, ears high. No hands, no feet, just cawing face. Spinning slowly in the place. Monster says, give me light. Baby shark hides in fright. Oh no, no, what is that? Kitten silly, bubble salute. Baby shark, wait, that's it. Kitty laughs, it's just a little break. Bubble monster, go away, go. Hey, bubbly, I'll never do. She raises one up to the sky. Bubble magic, let's try. Sparkles everywhere, okay. To send the scary pay. Kitty shark is happy now. No more fear, just fun tonight. Happy birthday!